Hi, today we're going to talk about the elements of dance. There are 5 elements: body, space, time, relationship, and energy. I'm going to go through each of the elements and give you some terms and definitions related to each one. The first is body. Body is the instrument of dance. You use your body to create dance. We think about the position or shape of the body and how the body is moving. Here are some terms you might need to know in regards to body. Balance, the maintain of a controlled position. We can think of dancers balancing in one area. Body base is the part of the body supporting the rest of the body. So if you imagine a dancer in a sort of kneeling position, the knee would be the body base because the knee is supporting the rest of the body. It could be a hand, it could be a head, whatever part of the body is supporting the other parts of the body. Geometric. It's when a body shape resembles the shapes from geometry, so triangular, circular, square, but it resembles a certain shape. Locomotor. It's the traveling from one place to another, across the stage or across the dance space, where the body is physically moving, so it's moving from one place to another. Non-locomotor is the body is moving, but it's not moving position, so it's anchored in one place on the stage or on the space. The next element is space. It's the physical area in which the body moves. So you imagine, the dancer and the area surrounding the dancer. And here are some terms to deal with space. Pathways. The route/movement taken from point A to point B. So this is that locomotor movement, but it is the route or the movement. So is it a straight route? Is it zigzag? Is it circular? So how do they get from point A to point B? How do they move? Positive space is the space the body occupies. And in contrast, the negative space is the unoccupied space around the dancer. Levels. Levels are the heights of the movement, and you could have high levels, medium levels, or low levels, and the dancer can move within those levels. The next element is time. The element of dance involving rhythm, tempo, accent, and duration. This is sort of the beat of dance, the movement, the timing to it. One of the elements would be freeze, so a sudden stop in movement. At the tempo, the speed the dance is performed. Is it fast? Is it slow? Does it transition between both? Accent, strong movement or gesture used for emphasis. It could be a quick movement. It could be a slow, long movement. But it's to create emphasis and often emotion. Duration. Length of time needed to complete movement. So again, the accent, if it's a short movement, the duration is short. If it's a long movement, the duration might be longer. The fourth element is relationship. The ways two things connect to each other. Now this could be dancer to dancer, dancer to object, or parts of the body on the dancer themselves, right side versus left side. And it's important to understand relationship to see how the two parts work together. Are they communicating? Are they mirroring each other? Are they working in opposites? So understanding how different dancers work together and how they use the stage and the props. Energy. Force which the body moves. Equality. Manner a movement is performed. Is it a sharp movement? Is it a zigzag movement? Is it a twisting movement? Just the different qualities of the different movements. Fluid. Easily changing, smooth, unconstrained. And then action versus inaction. So is one dancer completely still while another dancer is moving? And that kind of goes with relationship. A lot of the elements work interconnected, and you could comment on different qualities and different elements in one dance piece.